A legal battle between the Hawaii State Teachers Association and the state is getting a bit more complicated. On Tuesday, a lawyer for the state got so fed up, he told the union's attorney that teachers should drop their complaint and strike already. John Temple, the editor at civilbeat.com, joins us live now with Skype with more on this. Good morning, John.
Good morning.
So the state told the union to go on strike as a resolution to this dispute. Has this been done before?
No, but what's happening is this Labor Relations Board hearing is dragging on and there is no end in sight. It's gone on for 5 months. They've only had 5 witnesses. The Deputy Attorney General got frustrated and told them, let's resolve this thing. Just go on strike. And that's how you typically resolve labor disputes if you can't do it at the table. But the union doesn't want to do that because it believes it's in the right and wants to prove that it's in the right.
Wow, so it looks like it's going to drag out for much longer. You also have another story, time running out for a Hawaii wind farm grant. And if state regulators don't approve a contract for a wind farm on Oahu's North Shore, what would that mean for Hawaii residents?
Well, the wind farm would benefit from a federal subsidy for clean energy that would take up like about 30% of the cost. So if it doesn't get that subsidy, who's going to have to make up the difference? It's going to be Hawaii residents in their rates. So it's very, very tricky, and there's a lack of financial clarity about these things because they don't disclose much, but that doesn't look good for Hawaii ratepayers.
Civil Beat is also following the homeless situation, and Civil Beat actually first reported about the cleanup on the sidewalk between King Street and Stadium Park of the homeless camps there. But, you know, we've had Jill Kuramoto there all morning long, and it looks like they moved just next door.
Yeah, well, you see, it's legal to live on the sidewalk. They just moved them to clean up and everything. So they moved, some of them moved away, but others just moved across the street, and they'll be back, and the city acknowledges that they can be back. There is a law before the city council that would make it illegal to camp on the sidewalk that way, but right now it is still legal. So even though they cleaned it up, they can be right back.
Wow, it's a stubborn problem, and city council members looking at those issues as well. John Temple from Civil Beat, thanks so much for joining us, and hope you have a great morning.
You too. It's great to be with you.
And you can find the complete story that we just discussed on civilbeat.com.